Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on the application of Indeed job search. You will click on settings as you see and you will enter. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Indeed job search and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we click in this sign, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem.